let's kick into the Whissel widget of the week. This is something we use in our business that saves us time, makes us money, or helps us have more fun. Would you like to go first, or would you like me to go first?
You go first.
All right. So this is a tool that we use. It's free. You don't have to download anything. To make sure that the people that are in your organization should be in your organization. We talk about team. We talk about growing. There have been people that we have hired to the team that we say, hey, this is not a fit. And so what we want to make sure, and we've also had people that we've promoted within our team and said, this is not a right fit, but they are a good culture fit. So it's called RPRS, right people, right seat. First, is this person the right person? Do they fit your core values? For someone like us, if we have an agent join the team and they say, well, I'm part-time, I want to do 1 to 2 deals a year, but I like the office. They're not a right person for our team. We're looking for high producers, a culture of production. We want someone that gives it all to this. Not saying that the person that does 1 to 2 deals is a bad person. Nope. My dad was that person. He's just not the right fit for the team. Mm-hmm. And then are they in the right seat? Are they, and I'll give a perfect example. We had a member of our team, great agent, loved to help people, brought him into a leadership position of a sales manager. Wasn't the right seat for him. He works really, really, really well with a certain demographic. And as our team grew and expanded and outgrew that demographic, it wasn't the right fit for him. He wasn't having fun. The people that didn't mesh with him weren't having fun. And it just wasn't the right seat, but he was definitely the right core value fit. He went back to an agent after we talked a couple times, went back to an agent and then the next year absolutely crushed it. Number 2 in the company. He would have been number 1 if COVID hadn't got him. Absolutely crushed it. So just because someone's not doing well at their current position doesn't mean, hey, we need to fire them. Let's get them in the right seat. If you know that the right person, and we're having this right now as well, is that's a problem for your leadership team. That's a high level problem. Someone says, hey, I want to join your team. I'm the right person. This is where I see. Now it's leadership's turn to figure out where can we fit you in to make you happy and make us happy.
I couldn't agree more. I was a team leader at KW for years, and I was good at. I forced myself to be good at it. I like to be good at everything I do, and yet it was the wrong seat. I did not enjoy it. For not 1 minute of recruiting in that role did I enjoy. It was very, very challenging. And yet, when I came to EXP, I essentially do the same thing, and yet I have never disliked it one bit. I have loved every minute of it. And so it's like you could be doing the same activities in a different seat and just thrive in one environment and not thrive in the other. So I love that you shared that.
Thanks, dude. It's a really good one. All right, tell me yours. I think yours is better, but tell me yours.
Perfect. Mine is something that you can download. But before you download it, I want you to write that review, and I want you to screenshot it, and I want you to send it to Bryan so that he knows that you took the time to do the review. That way, when he has a referral that's going to your market, he can make sure that you're the one to get it because you actually wrote that review.
Yeah, that's really good too.
So the thing that I want you to download is an app called EVA Bot. And EVA Bot is an app that will allow you to do an on-the-go gift for someone who you want to reward, whether it's their birthday, anniversary, they just sent you a referral, you just met them and you want to cement the relationship. You can immediately record a video in about 2 seconds. It will send it to them. It will prompt them with a quiz that will figure out what they are passionate about or what they love. It will then customize a box that gets delivered to them. The box can be custom branded. The box can have a handwritten note. The box arrives and it's like a surprise still because they didn't know exactly what's in it. They get this amazing experience. It creates an Instagrammable moment that they can then take a picture of and put on the internet and shout you out. It also captures their data. So if you want to automate birthday gifts, anniversary gifts, or anything else, it will automatically send gifts and you can throttle the amount. So you can send a $50 gift, a $100 gift, and a lot of times they'll actually upgrade your gift amount for free. You can take this and experience it yourself, much like we talked about inviting you to an event to experience it. If you use the code that Bryan's going to put on there, you can get a free gift from them to try it out and see how you like it. And if you love it, you can implement it in your business. It is the fastest way I've found to be consistent and implement a process to reward the people and celebrate the people that matter most in your life.
And so I just looked it up. It's EVA. I thought it was AVA, but EVA Gifting Assistant on iPhone. It's a red icon with a white logo that kind of looks like a heart.
And click the link for my free gift, and then you don't have to worry about it.
Easy.
Easy breezy.
Cool. Thank you so much, Sean. Thank you for watching. We will see you next week.
Thanks, guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.